Miracles come when you let go. Trust the universe's perfect timing. Sometimes the hardest thing to do is stop holding on. You may be waiting for an answer, trying to save a relationship, worrying about money, or wondering when your life will finally change. You keep thinking that if you try harder, worry longer, or control every detail, you can make everything happen faster. But this pressure only makes your heart tired. Letting go does not mean that you no longer care. It does not mean you are giving up on your dreams. It means you are choosing peace over fear. It means you are allowing life to unfold without fighting every delay or questioning every closed door. Some things are taking longer because you are being prepared for them. Some doors are closed because they are not meant to hold your future. And some answers arrive only when your heart becomes quiet enough to receive them. From the next section, we will begin a few long form affirmations to help you release control, calm your thoughts, and trust that what belongs to you is finding its way into your life. Take a slow breath and remember, you do not have to force what is truly meant for you. Your miracle may already be unfolding in ways you cannot yet see. I release the need to control every detail of my life, and I allow myself to breathe, rest, and trust again. I understand that I do not need to chase what is truly meant for me. What belongs in my life will reach me at the right time and in the right way. I let go of fear, doubt, and the painful thought that I am running out of time. My journey is not late, and I am not behind. Every delay is teaching me patience. Every closed door is guiding me toward a better path, and every difficult moment is helping me become stronger. I trust that life is working for me, even when I cannot see any movement. I release the people, situations, and expectations that disturb my peace. I no longer force answers, love, success, or approval. I choose to protect my energy and remain open to something better. I am safe while I wait. I am supported while I grow. I am guided even when the next step is not clear. I believe that the right opportunities, caring people, peaceful experiences, and beautiful blessings are moving toward me now. I welcome them without fear or resistance. I deserve a life that feels calm, meaningful, and complete. Today, I loosen my grip on the past and make space for a new beginning. I trust the timing of my life. I trust what is leaving. I trust what is arriving. And I trust that everything meant for me will come when I am truly ready to receive it. Holding on becomes exhausting when your mind never gets a chance to rest. You wake up thinking about the same problem, carry it through the day, and take it to bed at night. You replay conversations, search for signs, imagine every possible outcome, and wonder what else you can do to make things change. Slowly, your peace begins to depend on an answer, a person, or a result that you cannot control. This is why holding on can feel so heavy. The situation may not be hurting you as much as the constant fear surrounding it. Your mind believes that worrying will keep you prepared, but worry often leaves you tired, confused, and unable to enjoy what is still good in your life. You may even stop noticing the love, support, and small blessings already around you because all your attention is fixed on what has not happened yet. Letting go begins when you admit that carrying the same fear every day is not helping you. You can still care about your dream without allowing it to control your happiness. You can hope for a beautiful outcome while giving yourself permission to live fully today. Your heart deserves rest before the answer arrives. Peace is not something you must wait for. It is something you can choose while life is still unfolding. Letting go does not mean giving up on what matters to you. It means releasing the pressure to know exactly when and how everything must happen. You can still work toward your dreams, make wise choices, and take the next step without trying to control the entire journey. There is a difference between healthy effort and painful force. Healthy effort gives you energy because it comes from hope and purpose. Force drains you because it comes from fear, doubt, and the belief that nothing will happen unless you push harder. When you let go, you stop fighting with every delay. You stop asking why your life does not look like someone else's life. You begin to understand that your path has its own pace and purpose. Letting go also means accepting that some people, plans, and opportunities may not be right for you, even if you once wanted them deeply. This acceptance can hurt, but it can also set you free. You are not closing your heart to miracles. You are making room for them. Keep doing what you can, but release what is beyond your control. Trust yourself enough to move forward and trust life enough to change the direction when needed. Giving up says, nothing good will happen. Letting go says, something good can still happen, even if it arrives differently from what I expected. Trust is most important during the moments when you cannot see any proof that things are changing. It is easy to feel hopeful when doors are opening and answers are arriving, but real trust grows in the quiet seasons. These are the times when you may feel forgotten, confused, or unsure about your next step. Yet silence does not always mean that nothing is happening. A seed grows beneath the soil long before it appears above the ground. In the same way, your life may be changing in places you cannot yet see. The right opportunity may be forming. The right person may be finding their way toward you. Or you may be gaining the strength and wisdom needed for what comes next. Do not judge your whole journey by one slow chapter. You have already survived days when you thought you could not move forward, and you are still standing. Let that remind you that unseen progress is still progress. Continue taking small, honest steps, but do not punish yourself for not having every answer. You are allowed to rest while your path becomes clear. You are allowed to believe that something good is being prepared, even when today feels uncertain. Trust does not require perfect proof. It only asks you to leave a little room in your heart for the possibility that life can surprise you in a beautiful way. A delay can feel like rejection when you have been waiting for something with all your heart. You may wonder why the answer has not arrived, why the door remains closed, or why other people seem to move forward before you. But not every delay is meant to hurt you. Some delays are protecting you from choices, people, or situations that are not right for your future. You may be asking for something that looks perfect today without seeing the pain it could bring tomorrow. At other times, a delay gives you space to heal, learn, and become ready for the responsibility that comes with your desire. Receiving something before you are prepared may turn a blessing into a burden. This does not mean you should sit still and wait without action. Keep improving yourself, follow the opportunities that feel right, and listen when life asks you to change direction. Just remember that faster does not always mean better. A flower that opens too early may not survive the cold, but one that waits for the right season can bloom fully. Your life also has seasons. What feels slow may be helping you build a stronger beginning. One day, you may look back and understand why certain things did not happen when you wanted them. Until then, trust that a delay can still carry love, guidance, and protection. The past can quietly take up space in your heart long after the moment has ended. You may still carry the words someone said, the love that was not returned, the opportunity you missed, or the choice you wish you could change. Holding these memories too tightly can make you believe that your future will bring the same pain. But your past is a chapter of your life, not the final story. You cannot change what happened, but you can choose what you carry forward. Releasing the past does not mean pretending that it never mattered. It means accepting that the experience has already given you its lesson, and you no longer need to keep feeling the same pain to prove that it was real. Forgive yourself for what you did not know at the time. Release the need for an apology that may never come. Stop asking old situations to give you the peace they once took away. That peace can begin within you. Every time you choose the present instead of replaying the past, you create space for something new. New love, peace, confidence, and opportunities need room to enter your life. You are allowed to remember without returning. You are allowed to heal without receiving every answer. Let the past remain behind you and allow your heart to become open to the beautiful life that is still waiting ahead. Perfect timing does not always arrive with a clear sign or a sudden miracle. Sometimes it appears through small changes that are easy to miss. You may feel calmer about something that once kept you awake. A new idea may come when you stop forcing an answer. Someone may enter your life and offer the help, wisdom, or opportunity you need. A door may close, only for you to discover a path that suits you much better. These moments can show you that life is still moving, even when the journey looks different from your plan. One of the strongest signs is inner peace. When you are moving in the right direction, you may not know every detail, but something within you begins to feel lighter. You no longer feel the same need to chase, prove, or control. You become more willing to listen, wait, and take one clear step at a time. Pay attention to repeated lessons and opportunities, but remain grounded. Not every small event needs a deep meaning. Sometimes, the clearest guidance comes through honest reflection, wise choices, and a calm mind. Trusting perfect timing is not about waiting for magic while doing nothing. It is about noticing what life is teaching you and being ready to respond. When the right moment arrives, your preparation and patience will help you recognize it. Living as though everything is working out does not mean ignoring real problems or pretending that every day feels perfect. It means choosing to meet life with trust instead of expecting the worst. When you believe that a solution is possible, your mind becomes calmer and you can see choices that fear once hid from you. You stop treating every delay as a disaster and every mistake as proof that you have failed. Instead, you ask what the moment can teach you and what small step you can take next. Begin your day by noticing what is already supporting you. Be grateful for the strength that carried you through difficult times, the people who care about you, and the opportunities still available. Speak to yourself with patience. Make decisions from self-respect, not desperation. Take care of your health, protect your peace, and give your energy to actions that move you forward. You do not have to chase every person or force every door to open. What is right for you should not require you to lose yourself. Let your daily choices show that you believe your life can become better. Walk with quiet confidence, even when the whole path is not visible. You may not control everything that happens, but you can choose how you respond. That choice can turn waiting into growth, fear into wisdom, and uncertainty into a new beginning. Your miracle may not arrive according to the plan you created, but it can still reach you at the moment you need it most. Release the pressure, trust the journey, and remember that your life is still moving forward, even when progress feels slow. Keep taking gentle steps, protect your peace, and remain open to blessings that may arrive in unexpected ways. What is truly meant for you will never ask you to lose yourself while chasing it. If these words brought comfort to your heart, please like this video and share it with someone who may need the same reminder today. Comment, "I trust the timing of my life," to affirm that you are ready to let go and receive. Subscribe to the channel for more healing and empowering affirmations. Until next time, breathe deeply, stay hopeful, and trust that something beautiful may already be unfolding for you.